Right, today we're going to show you how to fix the light on an Audi A4 B6 1.9 TDI. So this one's a 130 brake horsepower model, but it'll work on any of them. Okay, do you want to open the boot? Let's have a look. So this is the light we're going to take off. As you can see, it's a bit crusty, so we just want to replace it just to make it look a bit nicer, because sun damage, that kind of thing, we reckon. The car's a bit filthy, but there we go. So the first thing you're going to see is this little bit here, okay, which we just have to pop open like that, and that should show us we've got a little screw in there, which we're just going to undo. I believe this is held on by just this. Might be wrong. Oh, there we go. There it is. There we go. And it's off.
This is the screw piece.
There it is. Oh, hang on. There you go. Right. Now all we need to do is just unplug that there. Hopefully. There you go. Just hold that and film us.
Yeah, we're definitely editing that.
These tend to be a bit of a pain in the butt sometimes. Actually, we don't even need to unplug it. Look at that. You just take that piece off, and there it is. Look how minging that is.
So we've just disconnected that from this, and now we are going to be using our new light.
Brand new second hand.
Brand new second hand. With that.
It's got its own bit. Right, okay, hang on a minute. Let's just actually we are going to have to unplug it.
If you hold this quick, I'll unplug it.
I'm just making sure it's got all the bulbs in it. Let's just have a look at. So these have got these little clip bits on here. They're meant to be where you can just unclip them, but I always find them to be a complete pain to do. Maybe I don't do them right, I don't know. Well, there we go, I think that was it. Nope. There you go. Right, do you want to take over?
Yep. Now we've got the new light, which we have to plug this thing into here. So it goes in like this.
So you've got this little line here.
Yeah. So we push that in there.
In?
Yeah.
Right, now
So then
place it back on.
place it back on to the car.
Yeah. Right, what we're going to do first, hang on, let's get rid of some of this. Just take the camera a second. Before we put it on, let's just get rid of some of these branches that seem to be in the car. Right, what we're going to do before we tighten it all up, so if you can just hold it there, we're going to test the bulbs, just to make sure.
Yeah. So it's just fucking engine right now. Yeah, it works. Yeah.
Now we're all stinked out of diesel, because this car
is
a bit smelly.
a dirty diesel.
Dirty diesels.
Dirty diesel.
Right, now we're just going to screw it back in.
Once you've finished, you pop this back in. Take the stuff which you used originally, and then shut the boot. Maintenance is done.
There we have it, a little bit less minging. Cheers for watching.